Hi guys, welcome back to Brackstone Family's channel. We have a very exciting unboxing for you today, one we've been waiting for at the door all day, stalking the UPS driver. It's a TK01 from Terra Cafe.
And I haven't had coffee today because we've been waiting on this thing.
I haven't had coffee.
So let's see how it goes. Unboxing, we have a knife.
Steak knife.
I like a little design right there. Today I've thought about this.
Okay, here to open and begin your Terra Cafe brewing experience.
I've thought about it.
I'll leave you a little love note on the box as you're opening it. Literally been trying to find the right coffee machine for us for I feel like years, and we just returned a Philips espresso machine to get this beauty. Good morning, Better Rituals. Great coffee doesn't grow in pods.
Ooh, shots fired.
Accurate.
I'm sure there's a better way than that.
Gift wrapped.
Whoa. 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 Go for it. Here we go. That is the Terra Cafe TK1. Accessories.
Oh, that fancy little cup. This is the milk carafe, I would assume. That's really cool. The little hose goes in there. So stinking pretty.
So white.
It is. See how long we can keep it that color.
Alright, so we have carafe with the little dingly dongly. And I'll let you do a little closer inspection. So, happy?
Yeah. And that's how you adjust your. We're gonna have to research this. You adjust the grinds. That's you can pre-ground and whole beans where it grinds it.
From the front here, we have. Obviously, I haven't plugged it in yet, but this thing goes up and down. Ugh. This thing comes out, has a little float deal. That's how you can clean your milk carafe line. That should blows. Okay, up top. That's how that thing works. Side here, a little catcher for your grinds, your actual grinder and brewer. So a nice little hinge right there inside. This is the last time you're going to see it nice and clean like this. I've heard this should go as fine as you can get it. And your little backside switch and plug. This side where you get your water out and refill it. So accessories, water filter, scoop, some extra lines, filters in there for something, cleaning utensil and brush, and the carafe, which I've already shown. Let's get this thing turned on. Oh, here we go. Before brewing your first cup, so this is what we actually need to do to get going. So we're going to follow these instructions and then we'll pick back up once we are getting some coffee. Again, I haven't had any coffee today. I certainly need it. Design your morning, make your day, is what it says. Doing its thing. Okay, press the button.
What button to press? Espresso?
Espresso. Holly's first drink. Thoughts? Needs to be sweeter.
No, you can totally tell the difference between that and the previous machine we had. It's much stronger, and it actually tastes like it's from like a coffee house, not just like a little run-of-the-mill coffee you make yourself.
Can I try?
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
This is my first drink of espresso. From the TK1. I don't like espresso.
You like that?
As you can tell, I've got a track in the cup. No, I did like it.
Right? It's like, it tastes like legit.
So now it's my turn to get either a cappuccino or a latte. Probably a latte, right? Iced latte, because that's my drink. And let's see how that goes. And we'll get some smooth slow motion. That was a anticlimactic slow motion of latte being brewed, but here it is. So here's my first. I'm going to do 2 in the future, but
Is it good? With that tiny little shot of espresso in there.
good point. It might need more.
So the first few espressos are apparently very weak, but it looked like there was a little bit of dribble after, like maybe it didn't complete the full espresso shot, so it might need some extra calibration.
Either way, I mean, it just tastes like sweet milk with some bit of coffee in there, which is kind of what I like. But yeah, we'll play around with that a little bit more. Maybe just do another one. We're not sleeping tonight. We're not sleeping tonight. We're going to test all this stuff out. 2. I think it's going to be too coffee for my liking. Ooh, look at the separation right there. Oh yeah. Now look at it. Stare that sucker in slow motion.
Thank you.
So this is my modified version from the original, but same coffee, and tastes great. I'm not really a big fan of the coffee taste, but in this instance, I am tasting it. It does taste fantastic.
It's delicious. It doesn't taste like your at-home coffee maker. It genuinely tastes like you got it from an expensive coffee store, so it's going to save you a lot of money. Eat
So
your heart out, Starbucks.
we are liking this, having played with it for what, 30 minutes. A lot of different menus in here to play around with and settings and stuff, but so far we're impressed with the end product. You want to say something there, Lex?
Oh, I'm just excited to, because if you have 2 people who don't like similar milks, you can use the craft for one, and then like something like this, you just put the tube on the inside and it just takes milk out, so you don't have to have like a second carafe or something. Makes it easier.
Bingo.
Here's my first try of my first drink of choice, which is a peppermint mocha because it's the holidays. My name is Holly. I've got my Holly Jolly cup. That's
Cheers.
really good. Cheers. That actually tastes better than a peppermint mocha at Starbucks.
And here's our cheers. All right. So has that been our unboxing of the Terra Cafe K?
TK01.
That one?
Yes, I think so. I think it's great.
Okay, maybe some more slow motion of brewing stuff to end.
Yes, I think that's a great idea.
Slow motion. 3, 2, 1. Goofy sons again.